What if I told you that someone, somewhere right now, is turning a simple idea into a successful business, using nothing but the internet? No big office, no huge investment, just a phone, creativity, and a smart strategy. Sounds surprising, right? This is the power of digital marketing. A few years ago, businesses had only a few ways to promote themselves. They used newspapers, TV ads, or large billboards on busy roads. It was expensive, and small businesses often struggled to compete. But the internet changed everything. Today, a small creator sitting at home can reach thousands, even millions of people across the world. A short video, a helpful post, or a creative idea can suddenly grab attention and spread like wildfire. That's what digital marketing does. It helps people share their ideas, products, and stories with the world. Think about your daily life for a moment. You open YouTube to watch a video. You scroll through Instagram and see an interesting product. Later, while checking messages on Facebook, you notice an ad for something you were thinking about buying. It almost feels like the internet can read your mind. But behind that moment is digital marketing. Businesses try to understand what people enjoy watching, what they search for, and what problems they want to solve. Then they create content or ads that truly connect with those needs. And when the message feels helpful or exciting, people naturally pay attention. One of the most powerful parts of digital marketing is social media. A simple video can inspire people, make them laugh, or introduce them to something new. Many creators started with 0 followers, yet today they have huge audiences who trust their voice. Another important part is search marketing. When people look for answers on Google Search, businesses work hard to appear in those results. If someone finds the right information at the right moment, it can turn a simple search into a new customer. Then there is content marketing. This is about sharing value, helpful tips, interesting stories, or useful guides. When people feel that a brand genuinely helps them, trust begins to grow. And trust is powerful. Because people don't just buy products, they support brands they believe in. The beautiful thing about digital marketing is that it gives opportunities to everyone. Students, small business owners, artists, and creators can all use it to share their passion with the world. Sometimes all it takes is one creative idea to change everything. Maybe the next successful channel, brand, or online business could start with someone just like you. If this video helped you understand digital marketing in a simple way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And tell me in the comments, would you like to learn how to start digital marketing step by step? Your journey might begin today.